Bless up the viewers, the subscribers. How you all doing? Links to 7 TV on the move once more, keeping you guys updated with what is going on around the world. So the big story everybody talking about, Silk Boss and what happened over there in Gulf in Portmore, what has been taking place with the entertainer and how things has been progressing so far. As you know, it's a very sad thing that happened to the entertainer, and no one wants to really see an entertainer being dealt with in such a way. But guess what? When you associate yourself with certain things, then anything is possible. Really sorry for what happened to him, and I guess this is just a learning experience for him, and I hope that he just bounced back from this and know that he did what he did, and it's because of his action that led to that reaction. So if Silbart ever associated himself with these individuals, there's no way these individuals could have done what they have done to him. And it's a very unfortunate situation to see the level of respect and how people really deal with artists over a period of time. Over the past many years, we've seen the level of respect have basically gone down the drain for recording artists, because right now everybody is a recording artist. Today a man could just be on the street selling some items. Tomorrow he's in the studio recording a song, become one of the big things all over the internet, and that is just how it is. However, as I said before, it's his association that led to what transpired, and it's an unfortunate situation to have seen what happened. And I can tell you, it just goes to show you how the world is and how people can be. People can be nice to you this moment, and trust me, they can turn on you in the midst of a second, as what happened to Silk Boss. So he did some interviews, and many people have been basically bashing Teradan for the way he dealt with the interview. I believe Teradan himself was actually one-sided with the interview, and basically the interview did not done any justice for Silk Boss himself. The follow-up interview that was done with some individuals from over there in Gulf, Silk Boss did not basically answer some of the questions properly, and also the way in which Teradan conducted the second interview with the individual himself, who was a part of or associated with this individual. Silk did not asked some questions that needed to be asked based on what transpired. So that was one of the main contention of many, and how people dealt with the whole entire situation. And this has just been blowing up online. But all I can say is that Silk Boss has his life, and that is what is important. Anything else could have gone very wrong with the whole situation, because he could not have been alive. So that is another thing you have to look on. He could have lost his life as well. So the fact that he's here, can still do music, he needs to be grateful for that, because not many people go through situations such as these. I've seen how many entertainers lost their life over the years in Jamaica, and not only in Jamaica but across the world. We have seen how many entertainers lost their life because of situations such as these, get associated with wrong company, and sometimes just caught up in situation, be at the wrong place at the wrong time. So this now is basically a learning experience for Silk Boss, and I hope that this deter him from choosing that level of gangster lifestyle, because as you've seen over the years, we have many artists or many recording superstars who have tried to live both life, being an artist and being a so-called gangster per se. We have seen where they have ended up. We can call names in this video like Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is a prominent dancehall entertainer who have broken many barriers for dancehall music, not only locally but on the international stage. But guess what? Based on his lifestyle that he chose, if you really look now, where is he? Ninja man again. Not a pioneer within our music space. He did the right thing for a period of time, and a little thing threw him off guard, and then he's behind bars right now. The most recent one was Jacure, very wonderful recording artist, have some real tremendous hits behind his name, but the ego got the better of him. Where is he now? So it just goes to show you that music and badness don't pay, and if you're gonna do both of these, you're gonna end up in some real serious problem. And sometimes when you end up in these problems, you have no bounce back, because you can lose your life. Silk Boss is very lucky that he's actually alive, Because based on some information that we have seen been circulating online, these individuals are very heartless, right? These individuals, they don't value life. And if you're associated with people like these who don't value life, when you get on these people wrong side, trust me, your life is as if it doesn't matter to them. You are no value to them no more. So when you look and what happened, it's one of those situations that needs to be looked into, and I can tell you that what happened to Silk Boss, it could have been far worse. It never have to go like that, but it could have been far worse what happened to him. And when we look and see how we actually came out of the situation and what actually transpired in the video themselves, trust me, it's one of those moments where you have to look and just say, no, can't be a recording artist getting himself involved in such situation. So this goes to show you the level of respect for a recording artist. It has dropped significantly over the past 3 years, because everybody now is a recording artist and they are associating themselves with gangsters and just associating themselves with people for protection. Now, if you're a recording artist and you believe that your life is in so much danger, you need to get proper security around you. It doesn't make sense you're going to be there and just using security of other people within your geographical location, or people that you know is a gangster around the corner. And then, because at the end of the day, this is going to cost you even more than if you were to actually get a proper security personnel traveling with you over and out, you know. But it's just one of those moments and one of those stations that we have looked into, and I can tell you, it was very sad to have watched that video and what took place in it. So many people have voiced their opinions. So many people are in total disbelief and not in support of what they saw in the video. Trust me, I was very shocked when I saw it personally. I believe it was actually a music video. I could not believe that someone would actually be doing that to an upcoming dancehall entertainer. The man has not even broken any big barriers as yet, and to be in those situations already, it just goes to show you that certain things and certain lifestyle is not going to be good for you. You have to know what you want, and you have to know what means you're going to take in order to get there. You can't be associating yourself with so much negativity and so much wrongdoings in order to portray yourself out there as a dancehall superstar. I know that many people believe that being a gangster as a dancehall entertainer, it helps to build your thing, it helps to push your thing. But guess what? At the end of the day, you have to know what you're doing. And by knowing what you're doing, you have to associate yourself with right people, people that are influential, people that can uplift your career, people that want to see you go bigger and better and don't want to tear you down. Silk Boss got himself in some real deep thing. And I believe that when he got himself involved in this, he didn't know that it was actually this deep. And when he realized, or he came to the realization and wanted to pull out of it, I believe that was when the whole situation turned upside down for him. But all he has to do, he just have to just bounce back from this and try to portray himself out there as a international recording artist, even though I don't believe this has done any damn or any dent to his musical career. I believe this has build him and let people know who Silk Boss is actually is right now. So who did not know him before, now they know him. So all he needs to do now is just to put out some music and just push himself out there, not only on the local stage but also on the international stage as well. So he just have to just continue to just do that, and just hopefully that he will just continue and just push himself in that right direction. As you know, it's a very sad moment right now for them, and he and his girlfriend, because the videos have been circulating online. There have been numerous different clips of the whole entire situation, people giving their own views, people giving their own opinion on it. And it's one of those things that we should not have to come online. But guess what? It is already out there and we can't do anything about it. We just have to just move on from it, and he just have to know that what has happened, and he just have to just bounce back from the whole entire thing and just push himself forward out there and just try to do some music that I believe will uplift his musical career and just continue to be a positive role model for the upcoming dancehall entertainers, because he has just been on the scene for a few, maybe just over a year or so, not even 2 years full, and he has created a name for himself within the dancehall space. So you just have to just work on that and just continue to do some good music. Alright, this is just my take on the situation. Alright, peace out, bless.